Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to attach files in Hotmail. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press a notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to simply tap and open Hotmail application as all the email services of Microsoft has been rebranded as Outlook, so both the Hotmail and Outlook are same. So you tap and open Outlook application. At first, you need to tap in Compose icon above the calendar. Tap on it. First, you need to provide the email address that you want to send the email to. Now, you go in for writing a subject. Compose any email that you want to send. Now, to attach files in this email, you need to tap in Attach File icon. Tap on it. You can either choose from Files or you can choose from Photo Library. For now, I am going to tap and choose from Photo Library. Now you go in for attaching any files you want to. As you can see, the selected files has been attached in my email. Now to send this email, you need to tap an arrow button on top right corner. This is how you can attach files in Hotmail. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to attach files in Hotmail. Thank you.